cloudy and windy. There's a lake right there. No te lo veo. ¿Con el coche?
El tipo que va con el...
Yeah. This is the bridge memorial at the Hoover Dam, and you go through all those lines all the way. But this is nice, and it's like that. Then down here we see all these electrical cables, and I'm not sure what it's at, so I'm gonna go downstairs to see what is in there, and I will let you guys know. It's all nice. The Hoover Dam here in Las Vegas. Here we are in the Hoover Dam. I know this is empty. This is a kind of a tunnel. And that's how it looks. You guys can see the water. Today it's raining.
Dari, ¿el agua coge por ahí dentro?
Sí. This is okay. Look.
Only if you have a jacket, you'll let it be cold.
Dice, if you see water, you will see a historic event, porque parece que no pasa mucho. The only time this spillway has been needed was in 1983.
Well, achoo! 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 Achoo!
We're just here walking to see what else we can see. Let's keep walking and see what we can find. There is Sophia. She's just walking. Say hello, Brian. Hi, Brian. And what's the little one?
Mommy, it looks like you could. Mommy, it looks like you could go skateboarding.
Here is the other part of the Hoover Dam. Nice bridge that cars drive by. See, that's my family. There's another walk that you can walk all the way over there, and then you can get a tour so you can see the Hoover Dam. That's my husband with Francis, which is a service dog. My grandfather next to my husband, my grandmother, Ariana, Brian, and Sophia. Sophia, the floor is dirty. Yeah.
What about me?